Hi, I'm Lauri Kane from the Baltimore Plastic Surgery Office of Dr. Dean Kane. What's right for you when it comes to different surgeries of the face? So today I'm going to talk about actually the people who are in our in this blast today that you're receiving today. We're going to specifically address surgery about the eyes, nose, lip, brows, and ears. So the first patient you'll see is had a upper eyelid blepharoplasty. It's really a very simple, easy procedure to remove the extra skin off the upper eyelid. It's a fairly easy recovery, and it really takes the heavy hooding, as you can see, off of her eyes. The next person you see is a young African-American woman who had a rhinoplasty, and if you also look at her face, you can see that she had a lot of blemishes around her face, a lot of pigmentation. So we actually worked with her skin to clear that pigmentation, as well as Dr. Kane provided a beautiful rhinoplasty for her that really made her face just really much more feminized, and it's a really beautiful rhinoplasty. Those are a 2-week recovery usually. You get pretty bruised with that procedure, but it's really a very life-changing for most people to have a rhinoplasty. The next procedure I want to talk about is the lip lift. The lip lift is a surgical approach to shorten the space between the base of the nose to the upper lip. It also, through an incision that Dr. Kane does pretty much around the base, inside the lower base of the nose, and then across this lower columella. The scars are really beautifully hidden, and it enables this area to be shortened and the lip to be rolled out. And believe it or not, you would think it's a painful procedure. It's not, and it's a very easy recovery. The next person, actually it's the same person, Millie, had the lip flip at the same time as a brow lift. Often women think that they might need a upper eyelid lift, but really what happens with a brow lift, you'll see on Millie where the brows are low, and you just you surgically lift the brows back into the right place, and you get this beautiful open appearance. It also gets rid of a lot of the wrinkling of the brow, and it really actually brings up the cheeks as well, because he can take that brow lift excision, and this is along the upper hairline along here, and he could either make it short or long depending on what you're trying to accomplish. So if you're trying to get a cheek lift and a brow lift at the same time, he can extend that scar down into the temple to get the cheeks up at the same time. All right, the next procedure is, you'll see on the African-American gentleman, is an otoplasty. Otoplasty is when people's ears are really sticking out, and it's just, an uncomfortable feeling for the individual to have that level of exposure with his ears. And so what Dr. Kane does is he pins, it's called pinning back the ear. Again, it's not really a complicated surgery or a long recovery. The ears can be pinned back either just from the top and the bottom, depending upon the structure of your particular ear concerns. And so those are the different types of things that could be done to rejuvenate the face. If you'd like more information, absolutely give us a call, 410-602-3322, and please check out drdeankane.com, where you can see a lot of more before and afters.